Hey guys! Okay, so I know I haven't been updating nearly as often as I used to, and probably nearly as often as I said I would, but I wanted to do an update because I am August, September. I think I'm almost like 10 months post-op. Yeah, I'm going towards the 10-month mark. So, I want to mention something I think that's really important with jaw surgery patients is that even a few months post-op, sorry, I'm chewing gum because I'm not chewing gum now, is that the swelling takes forever to go down. I look at myself now, 10 months post-op, and I look way different than I did even half a year post-op. So, good news is that, you know, if you think you're still swollen, and my dog is sneezing, do you hear him? Sneezing his brains out. Hi, Bobby! Anyway, if you think you're still swollen, then you probably are. But I noticed a lot of change since jaw surgery. Like even like recently, I'm really happy with it because I look now and I'm like, I don't know, my jawline is just so much better. I don't know why my hair looks so blonde right now. It's actually not. I don't think it's that blonde. But anyway, okay. So first of all, my bite. It's like right on. I keep forgetting to do a video with my retainers. Maybe what I'll do is I'll do a separate video. They're pretty much like Invisalign. They just pop on top and bottom. I don't, like, there's not that much changing now. Like, the biggest thing now is that I don't think about jaw surgery. I can chew normally. I feel like I can speak normally. I'm really happy with the way everything turned out. And, yeah, life is just very different. I know a lot of people that I've talked to who can relate to me with the whole jaw surgery thing, how it sort of feels like you put your life on hold because you're waiting for it to happen, and it is a big change. So you kind of forget how to live. Like, your whole day revolves around thinking about jaw surgery, and you just keep waiting for a date to get your surgery done, and it's like this whole long process, and then you're going through this shitty recovery where you look and feel awful for a really long time. So it's really hard to like just go on with your life when you're going through all that. And but the thing is, it like gets so much better once the surgery's over. I do notice a big difference. I think I look different. I'm happy with it because I think I look like a better version of myself, and I don't have all the functional issues that I used to have. So it's a really good change. I have to say I have like no regrets from doing jaw surgery. I strongly suggest, like, if you have major jaw issues like I did, like, just look into it, and if you can get it covered, like, go for it, because I know of a lot of people that can't get it covered, and it's a huge expense for some people. So if you're lucky enough to have it covered, like we do here in Ontario, then if you need it, you should totally go for it. I know it seems terrifying because you're going through a huge surgery, and you know there's a lot of changes and stuff, and it's a big preparation. It takes a really long time, but it's totally worth it to feel like this. Like the way that I feel now, having a jaw that functions normally and looking normal. I just feel normal. I can chew anything. I can eat like whatever I want now, which is amazing since, you know, I love food and it really sucked. I have allergies. It's bugging me. But yeah, like, it's amazing to feel normal. And yeah, so I strongly suggest anyone who, you know, if you're thinking about it. I know I've been really, really bad for getting back to people lately just because my life has been extremely crazy this summer. There's just been so much has changed. Like, this past year is like, I don't recognize my own life anymore because it's changed so drastically. I feel like I've gone through so much. and everything is like kind of settling now. This past month was really crazy because I was already going through a lot of shit. And then my grandmother got really ill, and I've been really close to my grandmother my entire life. She was 90. She got really ill, and she was in like the critical care unit for 9 days. So I was with her like day and night. And she was doing better, and then all of a sudden she just started to do really bad, and she passed away. So that was really, really hard, because even though someone is a lot older, you're just so used to having them in your life, and it's really hard dealing with a loss like that. So that's something that I'm still dealing with every day. And it's hard. I try to, like, I don't really talk about it or anything, so I think everyone thinks it's like fine, but it's really hard. Because you feel like that missing piece in your life. So that sucks. But yeah, like, it's been crazy, so I haven't been updating like I promised I would. Even though I know I should. I'm gonna update my blog too. I haven't updated my blog in a while. And I will do the video about the retainers. I'm really sorry I didn't post it. It's been really crazy. But yeah, things are like a little more settled now. And yeah, I don't know, life goes on, right? Everything starts to go back to normal, and it's like, it's hard to believe, because even going through something like jaw surgery, there are times when you just feel like total shit, or you feel like it's never gonna happen, and it is the ultimate test of patience, because it's such a long waiting period for a lot of people to have surgery. It's a hassle trying to go through insurance and stuff if you're not, as fortunate as I was to have, like, we have provincial health care, and it's never a question. You just go to the hospital, give your health card, whatever, no big deal. You don't have to go through insurance claims and stuff like that, which I know it's like a huge hassle for a lot of people, and I feel really bad that anyone has to go through this, because I know having jaw issues, how horrible it is, and how literally, like, I couldn't function. There were so many days that I couldn't function because of my TMJ issues and everything else related to my jaw. I was on a lot of painkillers. I spent a lot of days like just in bed, and it's like you're in your 20s and you're young, but you can't even live your life because you feel like shit all the time. And people don't really get it because it's not something so typical that people deal with. They don't get how awful it is when you have those types of issues where you have like chronic pain all the time and you're like literally bedridden. So it was really hard to deal with that. But yeah, I don't know. I'm really, really happy that I got through it, and I love my new smile, and I love my teeth close. That's like the icing on the cake. I'm really happy with my profile. I have to say, like, my surgeon did an amazing job, and I would highly recommend him to anybody. So if you are in Ontario, if you're looking for a surgeon that works, out of like the Toronto area, then you can contact me and I'll let you know who my surgeon is, because he's absolutely awesome. Otherwise, I don't know, like, my orthodontist did a great job too. Of course, they did all the finishing touches, and my teeth look amazing, and I'm so happy with it. I have been whitening my teeth. I got a whitening kit after I had my braces removed, but I never finished it because of all the chaos that was going on. I have to leave it on for 2 hours a day, so I still have 2 days left. I did 5 days, I have 2 left, so I'm going to do that. Maybe I'll explain that in my retainer video, which I promise, you know what, I'll just take it right after I do this one. I'll go grab my retainers and whatever, and I'll figure it out. But yeah, I just wanted to post this right now just to let everyone know, like, I'm 10 months post-op. I've had no issues. I'm feeling really great. No headaches, nothing. So it's really awesome. And I will post the retainer video. I'm really sorry that it's taken this long for me to record it, but I will do it. Okay, yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!